Are you tired of losing money at casinos? What if you could spend your Vegas vacation having tons of fun rather than losing tons of money? Imagine finally stepping up to that blackjack table and knowing that you can play with confidence. It's really hard to have fun in Vegas if you're constantly losing money and it seems like every hand just doesn't go your way. Eventually you just give up and you wander back to your family with a big frowny face. Not good. All of this was why I created my table game courses, and specifically this course on playing blackjack for fun and profit in Vegas. As a Vegas resident, I've spent a lot of time working out these games, and I've created this course so that you'll know what to do before you get to the blackjack table, how to play so that you can lose the least amount of money and maybe even win, and how to take advantage of probabilities to bet more when you have the greatest chance of winning. With these new skills, you'll stop being intimidated by the table games. You'll lose much less money, and most importantly, you'll have a lot more fun. You'll also walk away with a strategy guide that you can take with you to the casino to help you out early on. I'll also make live playing sessions available where you can watch me play, and at any time you can ask me any questions about blackjack or any questions about Vegas. This course is short enough that if you download it to your phone, you can start and finish it on your flight or drive to Vegas and be ready as soon as you get there. So for less than the cost of a couple of losing blackjack hands, you can learn how to lose a lot less money and have a lot more fun. You also get that 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's almost impossible to go wrong. So let's get started today. Start losing less, start having more fun, and make your next casino trip the best one yet. I'll see you in the course.